Welcome to our video guide on chicken processing. If you are a poultry farmer looking to expand your business and increase your income, building a chicken slaughterhouse or chicken processing plant could be a great opportunity for you. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of having your own facility and guide you through the process of setting it up. Why do you need a slaughterhouse or chicken processing plant? Well, having your own facility helps generate more revenue by providing a reliable market for your chickens and other poultry products. It also allows for further value addition, giving you the opportunity to sell finished chickens and maximize your profits. So how do you go about building a slaughterhouse or chicken processing plant? Let's break it down into simple steps. Step 1. Familiarize yourself with local laws and regulations regarding the construction of chicken slaughterhouses or processing plants. Obtain the necessary permits and license to ensure compliance. Step 2. Choose the right location for your facility and work with architects to create a suitable architectural plan. Step 3. Acquire the appropriate chicken slaughter equipment and processing machinery. It's crucial to invest in hygienic, durable, and worker-friendly equipment that doesn't take up too much space. Step 4. Once your facility is ready, it's time to start business operations. Promote your poultry slaughterhouse and chicken processing plant to attract customers and consider collaborating with other poultry farms for slaughtering and processing businesses. Now let's talk about how chickens are slaughtered and processed for meat using an automated chicken slaughter and processing line. The process typically involves 12 stages: bird reception, stunning, killing, bloodletting, scalding, plucking, cutting the head, eviscerating, cutting the feet, pre-chilling, cutting into pieces, and packaging. To ensure efficiency and quantity, it's crucial to have the right equipment and machinery. For example, a stunning machine is used to render the chickens unconscious before slaughter. A scalding machine loosens the feathers, making plucking easier. A chicken plucking machine efficiently removes feathers from the chickens, and a pre-chilling machine cleans and cools the carcass after slaughter. Eruis equipment specializes in manufacturing chicken slaughter line equipment and meat processing machines with over 40 years of experience. Eruis provides professional consultation, customized solutions, and high-quality stainless steel 304 equipment to help you achieve an automatic chicken slaughter and processing line. Building your own slaughterhouse or chicken processing plant opens up new possibilities for your poultry business. Take control of your production, increase your revenue, and provide top-quality poultry products to the market. If you are ready to take the next step in your poultry farming journey and want to learn more about our services, please contact us directly. Let us assist you in starting your journey towards a successful poultry processing operation.